In this example, we're going to show you how you can make your presentation look less cluttered. In this example, we have a question with a logo. If you notice here, to give the question context, we have to really include what the logo is about. So we have that here, and then we have the question. Now keep in mind, if you're in an instructor-led session, as soon as you come to this line, your audience will be more focused on answering the question and looking at the answers than what you're saying. I also want to point out what this is going to look like on a smart device. So we have a lot of information going on, and if this is self-paced, it's kind of cluttered. So an option would be, we're going to take that same logo, and we're going to take that same statement, and it's going to precede the question. Now this is a standalone, and then we advance when we're ready with the question. And you'll notice it's much simpler. You can always go back and review the previous slide. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.